And here we're going to learn how to determine angles between two places on the Earth's surface, because this is important to be able to calculate the distance between two places on the Earth's surface using lines of latitude and longitude. We should be able to know the distance and the angle between the two points in questions. So let me read from the boy. Said before any calculation can be done concerning the places on the Earth's surface, the angle between the two places whose distance is to be found must be known. In determining the angles between the two places on the surface of the Earth, the following methods are used. Method A is if add together the degrees of the longitude if one is on the east and the other is on the west. We look at these 2 points. Point X is on latitude 40° north, longitude 60° east. Y point Y is on latitude 40° north, longitude 70° west. So to know the angle between these 2 points, let's first of all draw the longitude. Let's first of all draw the circle of the globe to represent the globe. Then we'll put the lines of latitude and longitude. We start with the equator, which is a reference, and it's at 0°. Then 40° north will be on top of the equator. Here it should be 40°. Then we're not sure, you need to cardinal point, north, south, west, and east. So we have located 40° north. The next thing now is to locate 60° east and 70° west. So it is here. First of all, we need to draw the prime meridian. Let me see. This is my prime meridian. Then 60° is to be to the right hand side of the prime meridian. Label that as 60° east. So where the latitude and the longitude meet, that is point X. Then for Y is on latitude 40° north, while longitude 70° west. So they will draw 70° west to the left hand side. That's 70° west. Where the latitude and the longitude meet is point Y. So how do you get the angular distance between them? The angle between them is obtained when the longitude in question are in different hemispheres. One is in east, the other one is in west. So when they are in different locations, we say add together the degrees of the longitude. If one is east, the other is west. So that our data here will be 70 plus 60, it is 130°. So the angle between these 2 points, X and Y, is 130°. Then point 2 says subtract the degrees in longitude if the two locations are in either west or east. That is, if both 2 points are in the same either west or east, we are going to subtract the longitude in that case to get the angle between them. So point P is on latitude of longitude cos. Point P is on latitude of 15° south, 40° east. Y point Q is on latitude 15° south, 90° east. How do we locate these 2 points? We draw a freehand drawing of the globe. Let's assume this is the Earth. I'll put the reference latitude, which is the equator. We also put the reference longitude, which is the prime meridian. Then P is on latitude 15 degrees south. 15 degrees south should be close to the equator. So this is 15 degrees south. But on longitude 40 degrees east, 40 degrees east, where these two lines, the lines of latitude and longitude meet, is point P. Then point Q on the other hand is also on 15 degrees south, but on 90 degrees east. The 90 degrees will be somewhere there. Let me label it. This is 90 degrees east, while the first one is 40 degrees east. This point where the latitude and the longitude meet is point Q. So we're trying to represent point P and Q. So this is point Q now. And the angle P and Q, that is PSQ, is got by subtracting 40 from 90. We are subtracting 40 from 90 because both of them are on the same side. If they are on different side, we are. If they are on the same side, we subtract. So theta here will be 90 degree minus 40 degree, which is 50 degree. Then 0.68 add together the degrees in latitude if one is in the north and the other is in the south. So these two we have done are in terms of longitude. The angular distance between 2 points here is in terms of longitude. Now this point is saying that add together the degrees in latitude if one is in the north and the other is in the south. So for example, these 2 points x and y, x is on latitude 30 degree north, longitude 56 degree east, y is on 63 degree south, 56 degree east. So let's draw a sphere and then put those latitude and longitude. This is the latitude, the reference. So draw is my latitude at the middle. The next thing is to locate this point. 30 degree north is up on top of the latitude. 30 degree north. Then 56 degree east. First of all, let's get the prime meridian. And 56 degree east will be somewhere here. In this point, where this x and y meet, where is it? This point where the latitude and the longitude meet, rather, 30 degree north and 56 degrees east is point x. Then point y on the other hand, y is on 63 degrees south. 63 degrees south will be below the equator. 63 degrees south, but longitude 56 degrees east. So the same longitude, 56. So this is why. So to get the angular distance here, this angle, since we are dealing with latitudes on different locations, north and south, the angle between them will get by adding the two latitudes together. That is what this is saying. Add together the degrees in latitude if one is in the north and the other is in the south. So our theta here will be 30 plus 63, which is 93 degree. Then we said subtract the degrees in latitude if the two locations are on both either north or south of the peak, maybe, as the case may be. Example is this: P is on latitude 56 degree north or longitude 70 degree east, while Q is on latitude 87 degree north, longitude 70 degree east. Let's locate this point. Draw your P, and this is my equator. This is my prime meridian. P is on latitude 56 degree north, 56 degree north, longitude 70 degree east. Is 70 degree east. Q on the other hand, let me put point B first. Is point B. Q is on 87 degree north. Remember the latitude is increasing upward, so I'm going to assume 87. Nope. 87 is close to 90. From equator to the North Pole is 90 degrees. So let's move this one up a little to make it a mathematically correct kind of. This is 87 degree north, but the longitude still remains at 70 degrees. This is point Q. So now we have the latitude on the same side, on the same hemisphere. Therefore, the angle between them will be 87 minus 56, which is 31 degrees. The same thing applies to here we work with latitude. The same thing applies if we work with longitude. So here we have 22 degrees south, 75 degrees south. So let's represent those points, point A and B. This is my equator at the middle, my prime meridian also at the middle. A is on latitude 22 degrees south. South is down the equator. 22 should not be too far from the equator. So I draw it closer, 22 degrees south. But on longitude 80 degrees west, 80 degree west. Let's assume this 80 degree west. Where point where the latitude of A and B meet, where the latitude and the longitude meet is point A. Then point B on the other hand is on 75 degrees south. 75, let's assume this is it. That's not good. 75 degrees south, but the longitude still remains. We'll have point B here. Now look at this. A and B are on the same side. Therefore, the angle between them will be 75 minus 22. 75 minus 22 is 53. The angle between them is 53 degrees. That is how to calculate angle between 2 points. If the latitude are on the same hemisphere, subtract. If they are on different hemisphere, add. The same thing applies to longitude, guys. When dealing with gray circles, if the longitude are on the same side, subtract. If they are on different side, add.